On July 8, the Russian Navy took delivery of the K-329 Belgorod, the world's longest nuclear-powered submarine. Although exact specifications of the Belgorod have not been publicly released, Naval News reports that the Belgorod's enlarged Oscar II class hull is estimated to be 178 meters long and 15 meters across, making the sole Typhoon-class submarine the only larger vessel. Naval News also notes, Belgorod's displacement most likely exceeds the 19,000 tons of the original Oscar II class, and is bigger than the largest Western submarine, the U.S. Ohio class. According to Sevmash, the Belgorod is designed to tackle scientific problems and conduct search and rescue operations. Moreover, it can serve carriers for deep-sea rescue vehicles and autonomous underwater unmanned vehicles. Naval News reports that the Belgorod is the first carrier of the Poseidon nuclear-armed underwater drone, which can deliver a retaliatory nuclear second strike at population centers, major cities, and industrial centers near the coast by triggering devastating radioactive tsunamis. The source also shows that it is designed to carry the highly classified Loshurik special mission submarine. Besides carrying the Poseidon drone, the Warzone reports Belgorod can serve as a mothership for various unmanned underwater espionage platforms, including the Loshurik. The source notes Belgorod's reinforced lower rudders, allowing it to sit on the seafloor, and its capability to deploy unmanned underwater vehicles, UAV, that could be used for espionage purposes by tapping or cutting submarine communication cables. Such a capability can blind or even cripple an adversary, as 95% of global internet traffic passes through these cables. Regarding Belgorod's mission, Russian defense analyst and military expert Alexei Lyankov explained. He said that it is designed to launch the Poseidon drone and specializes in second strike missions. Lyankov described the Belgorod as a retaliation weapon for a large-scale nuclear war, launching its Poseidon drones in response to a nuclear first strike involving mobile missiles, land-based launchers and land and sea-based intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBM, against Russia. Apart from being used as a second strike weapon, he notes that Poseidon can be deployed against carrier battle groups, with the Belgorod carrying them to the launch site. The Barents Observer reports that the Belgorod will be an experimental operation with Russia's Northern Fleet, before being handed over to the Pacific Fleet. However, there is no mention of where Belgorod will be based during its experimental operation with the Northern Fleet. According to the U.S. Auden Military Training Database, the Poseidon is a family of underwater drones, rather than a single type. Some units may attack coastal targets, while others may be designed as supercavitating torpedoes to attack carrier battle groups. The nuclear-armed variant is armed with a low-yield 2-megaton cobalt warhead that can contaminate a 1,700 by 300 kilometer area, making it a weapon of last resort.